Your attorney should be intimately involved in the whole process of you going through medical treatment. And I've discussed this in other videos, but I'll just give some very quick examples. So you get involved with, say, in a car accident, it's a fender bender. You're not feeling it at the scene because the endorphins are rushing through your body. And so you're kind of in that fight or flight mode. You don't feel anything at that point. So you wave off any need for an ambulance and you wake up the next day and you feel like you've been hit by a ton of bricks. All right, so now you go to urgent care. Urgent care says, they do what urgent care always does. They do a couple x-rays. They tell you to take NSAIDs. Maybe they give you a shot of Toradol. And then they tell you, hey, if your symptoms worsen or don't get better in the next 2 to 4 weeks, come back to see us or, go see your regular doctor. So during that 2 to 4 week period, you're sitting around following doctor's orders, but from an insurance company's perspective, you're doing nothing. And if you're doing nothing, you must not be hurt and they're going to tell a jury that, well, ladies and gentlemen, if you were hurt, would you sit around doing nothing about it? I think we all know that when we're hurt, we go to the doctor. And why is this person not going to the doctor? Obviously, they're not hurt. Their attorney's just telling them what to do. They're just in here making a trumped up claim for damages. And it's all a bunch of BS. And award them were they at fault for the accident? No. But, I think it's pretty sick display of character to come in here and ask for money when they really weren't hurt. That's essentially how it's going to go down.